it's our first Stream MakerLab for the year, and we are doing seasons. So we're starting over here with winter. And over there here, this is an independent station. Pardon me. There are vocabulary words to go with this. There's the lesson plan and an I can statement. Reflection questions for at the very end. And scaffolding questions for while the students are playing. There are branch blocks here and some animals and people, and they can build and pretend that they are building shelters for polar animals. And there's some paper here if they want to use that for caves. It's great for fine motor skills for tearing and crunching that up. So this is independent. The students should be able to work on their own. The next one is a teacher-led station, and this is summer. And it is summer because it is the light table, and you can make it yellow for the sun. So basically these knobs change, and you can turn several of them to change the colors into different things. So they should have a lot of fun with that. There are many options. There are some cards here that you can lay out on the table, and you can combine them, overlap them, or you can say which ones are circles, which ones are not. A lot of different attribute types of things there. And then also there's another set of cards that, sorry, getting these together here, have different things that are great for the light table. And you can ask them, you know, which ones are animals, or which ones can you eat, or different things like that. So there's a lot of different games you can play with that. There's also down here a marble rack. So if you want to, you can put that on top, and there are marbles over here. I put these kind of up high. This is the teacher-led station, so the students don't really need to be handling the manipulatives. You can control that portion of it, but that is where all of that is. So that is exploring light and colors. Then we come over here to our fall area, and this is camping. This is an independent station where the students can play. They can build a fire. They can go fishing. There's a little pond right here, and there are fishing poles and things over here. There's a lot of dramatic play. These are, they can look at bugs. This is a little scene, a woodland scene that they can play with. And then there's just food and some camping equipment. And there's also sequencing for making s'mores. So they've got little graham crackers and chocolate and marshmallows. And the same with some of the food, there's sequencing for hot dogs, and they can of course use that on the grill. So hopefully they will have fun with that. Then we have spring over here, and this is Caterpillars. This is a teacher station, and we have all the information that you need here. Scaffolding questions are available. You can actually pick that up and hold it if you want, so that you can ask questions, give you a good idea. So Caterpillars are right here, and they're very easy. They have an on switch on the bottom, and students just take these different segments and connect them, and the segments do different things, and we'll tell on the back. And you can do a start and a go, and they try and get the caterpillar to different places. You can put flowers out, and they have to get from one to the other. Or if you want to do Very Hungry Caterpillar, there's that there. And I've put a big book of Very Hungry Caterpillar for the teachers if you guys want to go that route. So there are 3 tubs of caterpillars. Clean up expectations. Just make sure that you have a caterpillar head in each, and kind of try and divide those out. And of course, get things back in the tubs for the fall and the spring. Make sure that the manipulatives are put up for the next teacher, and just things back in general. So hopefully you have fun and have a great time. If you have any questions, let me know. Take lots of pictures and have a good time.